Are you fatigued by the cycle of living from one paycheck to the next? This video presents 10 validated money tips that may facilitate the attainment of desired financial prosperity. Now let's start. Number 1. Make a detailed paper outlining your financial plan. Failure to have a well-thought-out financial plan is one of the main things that can keep someone from becoming a millionaire. When you make a business plan, you have to do more than just talk about it. You have to take action. It also helps you make smart choices that will help you reach your goals and fulfill your ambitions. To make your future more safe, you need to think about two important things: your current financial situation and the way you usually spend your money. The most important thing I want to stress about these two factors is how important they are to all financial planning, no matter how big or small the plan is. From what I've seen, the biggest difference between people who are on the right track and those who aren't is how much time and effort they put into making a financial plan. But everyone who is financially successful spends the time to make a plan and stick to it. Number 2. Set priorities for ways to make more money. The way the economy is right now, saving money won't get you to rich status. Think about the journey of someone who went from being broke and in debt at age 21 to becoming a self-made millionaire by age 30. According to the first strategy, you should focus on gradually increasing your income and stick to that plan. My pay went from $3,000 a month to $20,000 a month over the course of 9 years. Start keeping track of your money. This will force you to handle your income well and look for possible chances. Now, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to get more money-making tips. Number 3. Use the government perks to your advantage. Using the benefits of compound interest to your advantage is one of the best ways to get rich. If you let your savings grow over time and try to get the best rate of return, you have a much better chance of reaching a 7-figure net worth. A big return on your investments is a good goal, but it's important to know that there are many things that may be out of your control that affect that return. There are, however, two major factors that can significantly affect long-term results that can be changed by each investor: financial costs and taxes. Minimizing both costs and debts should be your top priority if you want to become a millionaire. If you put money into a 401k or 403b through your workplace, your contributions can grow without being taxed right away. This lets your money grow faster. Also, you might want to think about a standard or Roth IRA because they can help you keep your taxes as low as possible, both now and in the future. If you want to trade stocks, you should choose a company with low trading fees and not trade too often. It is important to get help and advice along the way if you want to become a millionaire. To reach your financial goals, you need to keep your investment fees and tax bills as low as possible. Number 4. Find different ways to make money. Author Thomas Corley studied wealthy people in depth over 5 years and found that 65% of the self-made millionaires he looked at had 3 or more income streams, 45% had 4 or more, and 29% had 5 or more. You might want to look into starting a side business, getting part-time work, making smart investments, or letting out things like your home, car, and family possessions. Number 5. Set up a way for your money to be saved automatically. If you want to become a millionaire, you need to make saving money a regular habit. You can do this by putting money into your 401k and either a Roth or a standard IRA. Setting up an emergency fund in a money market fund is another smart way to protect your finances. It is important to include technology in your savings plan if you want to be successful at this. This will make it easier for a part of your salary to be automatically put toward your payments. This way, you can benefit from the process without having to handle it yourself. 10% of your income should go into investments and 5% should be saved. Number 6. Make an effort to improve your intelligence and expertise. Reading should take up at least 30 minutes of your time each day. You should listen to informative speeches while you are traveling about, and you should actively hunt for methods to get a guide. In order to be able to conduct educated talks about topics such as sports, politics, and money, you need not only be competent at what you do, but you should also learn a lot about a lot of various subjects on a day-to-day basis. Your pursuit of knowledge should take precedence, as if it were an essential component of your development and accomplishments. Reading books, listening to speeches, watching videos on YouTube, or reading newspapers are all enjoyable methods to learn more about personal finance on your own time. Number 7. Make sure that you live a life that you are able to afford and that you rely on credit as little as possible. A great number of studies have shown that a significant number of the richest individuals in the world are also incredibly thrifty. The amount of money that they spend is carefully considered, and they do not purchase an excessive amount of pricey and branded items. Utilizing freebies may be a profitable strategy when it comes to reducing expenses. The manner that they live is recognized for placing a priority on being financially responsible, and they often choose houses and automobiles that are somewhat straightforward. It is common knowledge that they are able to effectively control their debt levels by smartly using credit. Consider the manner in which T. Boone Pickens maintains his financial affairs. The only cash he maintains is the amount that he needs to purchase the goods that he wants to buy. Number 8. Spend time with individuals who have achieved a great deal of financial success. Your net worth is often a good indicator of the amount of money that your closest friends and family members have. There is nothing particularly novel about this concept. Beginning with Andrew Carnegie's mastermind notion, this concept has been around for quite some time. Your ability to perceive things from a fresh perspective and increase your income may both be improved by cultivating relationships with individuals who have achieved greater levels of accomplishment. As a result of the fact that the people you spend time with have a significant influence on your level of achievement, high achievers have a tendency to gravitate toward one another. It is a well-known fact that you transform into the same person as the individuals with whom you spend the most time. Number 9. Have a conversation with your spouse about the finances. Due to the fact that it promotes transparency, accountability, and the making of intelligent choices, having a conversation with your spouse about all of your financial concerns is essential for your financial success. People are able to identify strategies to improve their financial condition, establish priority for crucial necessities over desires, and get a better grasp of their entire financial situation when they are open and honest about their financial objectives, expenditures, debts, and investment plans. When it comes to achieving their monetary objectives, this method of working together helps to guarantee that everyone is on the same page, decreases stress, and helps to prevent unforeseen financial difficulties from occurring. Number 10. Plan your shopping. Planning ahead for your food costs is an important part of handling your money well, which can help you get rich. By making a plan for your grocery list, you can avoid buying things you don't need, avoid buying things you don't want, and keep your food costs in check. Making and sticking to a grocery list can help you waste less food, save money, and use that extra money to trade, pay down debt, or save for something else. Getting into this habit helps you be more disciplined and spend your money wisely, which are both important for building wealth and staying financially stable. Planning your food shopping ahead of time lets you take advantage of sales, deals, and chances to buy in bulk, which can cut your overall costs by a lot. Wealth accumulation is a gradual process, and these strategies serve as your guide. If this video was beneficial, please consider liking, subscribing, and activating notifications for additional strategies to enhance financial management and attain financial independence.